In this lesson, we will discuss how to insert picture in Word MS Word document. You can insert picture from desktop, from USB. If you have saved on your desktop, wherever you have saved, we can insert it in our Word document. Or if we can also insert picture from online, right? Insert picture from online. So I will show you both methods how you can insert picture. But before going to insert, I will show you one thing that I told you, these are called the tabs. So after help, you can see that there is nothing. It says that tell me what you want to do, but when we will insert a picture, a new tab will appear here, which is called the format tab. With the help of format tab, we can give picture style, we can change the color, we can do some formatting. But see here that there is nothing. There is, after help, we do not have any tab. So we are going to insert. First I will show you that I have already saved one picture in my document, so I will show you how to insert that picture in the Word document. First of all, you have to bring your insertion point wherever you want to insert the picture. Suppose I want to insert it here, then click on the insert tab. This is the insert tab, and in the illustrations group you will find the pictures and online pictures. So first we will see the pictures which I have saved on my document. So this is the pictures, this is the document, and then suppose I want to insert this picture. As I told you, after help there is a new tab will appear. So picture tools format, this is the new tool, right? Why it is here? Because I have inserted a picture and the picture is selected. How you know that your picture is selected? See these 8, 1, 2, 3, these are the small circles. There are 8 circles, and these are the resizing button. You can resize your picture with the help of these. If I click here, see the resizing button has gone and your format tab is also not there. So do not say my picture is there but my format tab is not there. Your format tab will appear when you will select your picture. Just click on the picture, the format pictures tool, format tab will appear here again. And with the help of this resizing button, you can increase or decrease the size of your picture according to your own choice. And what about this? This means that you can rotate your picture wherever you want. Suppose you want to rotate in this direction, clockwise, anti-clockwise, whatever is the requirement, you can rotate your picture, right? Okay. So then here in this page, maybe we will insert another picture. So suppose I want to do it like this. Okay. And then see, when it is highlighted your picture, these are called the picture style. So these are the picture style. What style you want to give to your picture, this or this or this style. If you do not like this style, so open this arrow, you will find out some more style here. It depends what you like and what is your requirement in your article. So suppose if I say I need this one, this is fine for us, right? And then you have to decide the picture border. This is the picture border which is black. Open this and these are the different colors. So see, if we will select blue, this one green, red, this. If you do not like color from here, you can go to the more outline colors, open this gallery and see now it is black. But if I say I need this color, so it will, the preview will come up here. Current is black but the new color will be this. If I say green or blue or whatever, right? But we do not want this right now. So open this border and if I say that this is okay, this one blue, okay, we say okay. Now what should be the width? Open this again and here I will show you the weight. Means you want 4.5 or 6 or 3, whatever. I say okay, this one is okay, right? Then is the picture effect. Open this and see present. You can see all these one by one, whatever you like. Shadow, open this shadow, how you want to show your picture to your audience. Okay, perspective, lower left, so see the shed will also come. And then open this glow, so you can see all this one by one, right? Soft edges like this. Okay, my picture is like this, is okay. Then is the color. You can change the color of your picture from here as well. More variation, but we are here. This is the color tone. What, how you want to show your picture to your audience. I say okay, let's see this one. And then corrections, go here. Brightness and contrast, there is, suppose brightness is positive 20%, contrast minus 20%. So see whatever you like here, like this, like this. Okay, I say minus 40, suppose, right? It depends. And then is the cropping. Here see format, if your picture is selected, right? If it is not selected, format tab is not there and the sizing button is not here as well. So you have to first select your picture, and then you will see this size group will come up. In the size you will see the cropping. Click on the cropping. Cropping means that if you suppose you do not want to show this portion to your audience, you can crop it from here. If you do not want anything from here, you can crop it here, right? So there are 8 resizing button and 8 cropping button as one. When you think that everything is okay, you can click here. It's gone now, so your picture is look like this. If you want, you can increase the height and width from here as well, right? This one, and this is height and width is now inches. Suppose if you want to show to your audience in centimeter or millimeters, right? So no problem, we can change it. I will show you. You have to click file tab and file, then the backstage view will come. From the backstage view you have to click on options. In options you have to click advanced. In advanced, scroll down, and then you will see the display. In display, see here, show measurement in units of inches. Now we have in inches. Open this. This is inches, centimeter, millimeter, points, whatever. We say centimeter, so click on the centimeter and okay. Now you will see 6.6 centimeter, and you can increase or decrease the height, right? So here, this picture we have insert from our document, but if you want to insert some picture from online, so I will show you the same step. Go to the insert. Instead of pictures from the illustrations group, click on the online pictures, and here you can write down whatever you are looking for. Suppose I am looking for books, right? So just write down books here, and then these are the different images of the books, so you can pick whatever you like. Suppose if I say this, so see the check mark will appear here and insert. Same thing, there are these 8 resizing button. These are the rotation button, format button. See, if I will click here, it's not selected, so format has gone. So click here, the format will come. These are the format is style, picture border, picture effect, cropping, size, and color correctness. We have all learned all this. If still you have any question how to insert picture from online picture or from USB or desktop or from anywhere, you can write down in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sai My Academy. Thanks for watching.